That is. I saw where as well. Quick question. Nick, should I stay with this outfit or should I switch to the other one? Okay. I gotta get a hope that matches this one. This one, or I know it's a real. Okay. Thi- This one, the one that I have on right now. Okay, and then you gotta help me find a whole robot that matches this. Yeah, yeah, guys, I'm so Gucci. Like, no joke, this is legit the actual name of these pants. Be Gucci like your boy Gucci Mane. No, I'm joking. See, dot. Be Gucci like you get. Be damn fucking right. I'm legit fucking lazy. Yo, dude, you know what you should do? Yeah, yo, dude. The team done so, bro. Yo, look, you're out team done. Yo, Nick, you know what you should do? You should buy Mega Gengar. Yeah, guys, if you're not figuring out, I have every single one of these fucking bullshit TMs. I have this. Yeah. No, new rule team done. New rule team done. You cannot. How the fuck did this happen? I'm gonna share my screen really quick. I keep forgetting I'm not doing this on my computer. No, you guys gonna have to watch the video. No, no. So wait. So wolf. So wolf. So if you already trademark it, Gengar, and I mean if you already trademark it, Solark and Agrid, who are you on trademarking to get Gengar? So I mean I can get you bitch in Agrid now. Uh, okay, then Nick, then go get the Megastone. Then go get the Megastone for Gengar. You disappoint me, child. Bro, not you want to try get this hoodie, but replace it with black. Okay. Oh god, I'm getting cancer. Someone that starts it up. Okay, dude, Wolf, join our server. That's what she said. This is gonna be. If Wolf doesn't join the call, this is gonna be a behind the set till the times for now. This is legit. Yeah. Well, you bitch. Yo, Nick, do you wanna have a 1v1? Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Someone here just has Team Eclipse. You dead. Spoiler alert. You dead.
I'm not though.
No, a team done fucking person. You dead. Cap Louis. You got Hakai. Okay, Nick. Do you wanna know we one we wait for werewolf? Yeah, okay. I said yes. I said yes. I will kill you so. You gonna switch what? You what? Yo, dude, did you get it? No, I'm talking. Yeah, Nick. Say yes. Good. Hey, that's copyright. Wait. Okay, wait. I never got this. If you already have, if the song is like 4 years old and you play it, do you still get copyright or no? Oh, so guys, just up behind the set. Hope you like it. Uh, but I also have to remember the name of my intro. Talking about intro, what's on your album, my intro, guys? And want to see that? Beat you dog. I'm gonna use you me some Dragon Claw. Dragon Claw. You okay? This nigga thick. Let's see how thick are you. Skadoosh. That's bullshit, but okay. Ooh. Yeah, dick. Oof. Welcome, parents. Where'd you get this? Motherfucker! My God, Nick. Nick. Nick, I hate. You know what? Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Go. Motherfucker! Earthquake this little nigga. No, watch me as soon as you said that, make the most fucking badass comeback ever. Go fuck yourself, Nick. Go fuck yourself. Go. Tell me, Nick. I need to know. Do you bleed? Nigga, I'm thick.
Yeah, that's
Thickness over 9,000.
Oh, I saw my.
That's fucking bullshit. That's fucking bullshit.
Bro, the Starman, bro. Oh my god. Okay, I had no comment for this. I have little to no comment for this. Why? He kind of brought up Big Boy.
Big boy.
Oh, you think that's gonna save you? That's gonna save you?
Big boy.
Yeah, David, you messed up.
Or did I?
And what I made it, this doesn't.
Nigga, fuck your lord.
Bring me to one house. You can bring me to one house.
Yeah, -1.
Negative.
Big boy in the house. Bitch, do you think a little motherfucker's gonna save your ass? Basically thicker than a fucking speeding bullet. And since you don't have Salamence in your team, so God, why should I say that since I was Salamence? You need to be faster than the opponent, and you need. Nigga, use some flamethrower his ass. Nigga, you need to flame it up. The sweet fucking smell of a card from making a fucking sweep. What up, little nigga? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Go so fucking sweet. No, 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 no. I need to do this with a classic. Now, Nick, what did we learn from this experience? Damn, bro.